So in previous video we talked about precipitation as a means of removing heavy metals, toxic metals. We should also talk about chelation as another means, and you're already exposed to it. It's nothing but a formation of complex ions. So you have ligands and a transition metal, and you form coordinate bond. Chelations are molecule or ions with non-bonding pair of electrons. Remember, this was definition of a ligand, so nothing has changed. Bonds to metal ion forming two or more coordinate bond. So coordinate bond is when both electrons belong to one species. Now there are two chelating agents that we are going to mention this year. One is ethane 1,2-diamine. So you should be able to draw the structure of that. So ethane means there are two carbons, and then on first carbon and second carbon you have nitrogen amine groups, and then this nitrogen has a lone pair of electron on it. Therefore it makes it a good ligand. And this is bidentate. It has two possibilities twice to grab that transition metal. Now nickel is 2+, and also you should remember this is a molecule, no charge. And then there are 1, 2, 3 of those ethane 1,2-diamine that are going to make 6 coordinations or 6 coordinate bond. And they take the heavy metal and remove it. The other one is EDTA, and EDTA is, you usually can also buy it as a salt. It's a known salt in health food stores that also remove heavy metals, and this has now possibility of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 possible sites to attack the transition metal and hug it and remove it. And don't forget, for example, copper is 2+, and when you put this, since it's 4-, the resultant of charge of the complex becomes 2-. So copper in this case was 2+. And this is how you can remove a metal such as copper, by forming chelations, which is when you have your ligands with lone pair of electrons forming coordinate bond with the heavy metal.